Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Karina Bonaduk and today we're gonna be going in my tenant unit. I realized that all my latest videos have been about my living room this, living room that. So we're taking a break from it today and we're gonna go and we'll see what's been happening in here. I thought I have the unit number there, but I don't. So, okay, let's go.
Wish we could fly away, you and I. Go to our favorite place. Oh yeah, yeah. Make special memories.
Ta-da! I know. In here is the living room. It's exactly the same as my unit, which I know you haven't seen my unit, like the whole big picture in a while, but I will put a video up here for you to see how I started on the other side as well. I think it was a little bit better than here, but now I have more experience. So, you know, here I have the cabinets that I bought on Facebook Marketplace, and then I also had a couple left over from the other side. They're the wrong size, so I spent like $300 in all for cabinets. I found it on sale at Lowe's because, see, this here is broken and I've never seen cabinets on sale, but it's gonna be so easy to fix, and now I have the cabinet that I need. So I have this paint that I bought. It says oops, $9 no return. It is such a pretty color. Look at this. And in this unit I'm going with more natural vibes that is not my style. Like if you've seen any of my other videos, you've seen that I like color, I like grays and whites and all that. Here it's gonna be more like browns and natural earth colors and stuff like that. So I think, I don't know exactly what I'm gonna use that for. It might be an accent wall in here, but oopsie aisle all the time. Like they have paints on there, and like I go almost every single day just to look for a paint for my bathroom, because you need to use satin because it's not like super glossy, but it's glossy enough for the water to not go through it. I'm not an expert in paints, but that's what I've been told. So I need some of that in my life. And my friend so kindly gave me some TVs. So I am set for that, and I have chairs, but I don't have a dining table yet. I'm gonna find one on Facebook Marketplace, Goodwill. You know, I'm all about thrifting. So I think all of this will be furnished by thrifting, which I think is gonna be great videos. I love watching those videos on YouTube, so that's gonna be great. And here I have the side table that my friend also gave me, and I think I'm gonna make it into a coffee table. So make sure to subscribe if you want to see all those videos coming up. And now let's go on this other side. I found a warehouse. I was gonna say deposit. I found a warehouse that sells a bunch of stuff that is new in box, but something was wrong with them and they refurbished them in one way or another. So I already got my Samsung microwave, and it's usually like $220, but I paid like $135 for it or something like that. So I think that was a good deal. And I just remembered, do you guys see how much lighting there is in here? The electrician finished everything except for what you can see in the kitchen, which actually, let's go in there. I have most of the plugs. Some of them are not live yet, and you can see I only have the box there for the stove, and then I have that line there, which I'm pretty sure that's for the dishwasher. So here I was trying to save money, so the dishwasher was here in the first place. So see, it says BW, and then the sink is usually 30 inches, so there's the sink. I found that awesome cabinet on sale. It was a 15-inch, so I needed one, either a 24 or something smaller just to fill in the space. So 15 inches right here. Stove usually is 30 inches. If you do rentals and stuff like that, you want to always go for like the standard sizes because they're the easiest to find parts for. They're the cheapest ones, so you always want to stay standard. And then there's another countertop in here, 24 inches. You don't want to have something hot and something cold next to each other, so the stove and the fridge had to have a cabinet in between. So the standard size is 24, we're using a 24. And the fridge, it's gonna be whatever I find, either on Facebook Marketplace, like the warehouse, wherever I find one. I'm not gonna buy a brand new fancy one. It doesn't even have a water line connected to it, so it's gonna be like old school with the little ice cubes. But it can be the regular 32, 36, it can be a double door. I really don't care. It's whatever I find in stainless steel, because I already have the microwave that is stainless steel, so you want everything to match. I do not care about matching the company that makes them. Like, I'm not gonna buy all Samsung products just because I have the one microwave that's Samsung. I really don't care about that. I know generally you want to match them, but it's a rental, so that's not the case right here. I do want to say that I'm gonna have a lot of open cabinets because that way you save a lot of money on cabinets. And I will make a really awesome pattern with tile, and then I have a pendant light on top of the sink. So I think that's a really cool feature, and maybe I told you too much, but I like you guys, so you know, you got the scoop first. So here is the laundry room, which I don't have a light in there, there's just wires, but this is how this has been. They just had this piece of wood like right here covering this. Like, this is how these people live. Like, they had an open wall right there, and you can see all the way outside. So the plumber said in order to change the faucet you have to work from the back, so this is why it's still open. Plus I'm still struggling to finish that guest bathroom in my house, so I think maybe next week is the lucky week when I'm finally done with it. But I'm on a tangent now, so let's get back to this. Anyway, this has to be open for the plumber. The electrician is all done in there, which actually I have these little things for rats, so I'm gonna put that back in. I don't know if they work. It's still blinking red, which means there are pests around. I have not seen anything around for like a good minute, but yeah, I'm still leaving them plugged in just in case. So I just realized that I forgot. If you follow me on Instagram, I had that leak in my kitchen that you saw about, and you should follow me on Instagram at Karina Beneduk. But you would have seen that leak that I had in my kitchen. Luckily, this was a mess. So we broke the wall here. Everything has been fixed in there. There are no more leaks. So luckily, I took forever to fix this unit. Otherwise, I would have had to either like take the cabinet out and break the wall and everything on my side or this side. So I'm happy I took my sweet time with this. So let me move this right here. On this side, there's gonna be a wall right here. As you can see, the shower pan, and then this will be closed right here also. So it's gonna be all closed wall, and I have an idea on what to do on this wall, but that's in a later video. So here we have lights. We have these disc lights. We have these disc, or can I say that? These disc lights everywhere, because I did not want to put the actual fans because I'm still gonna make a lot of dust, like fixing the walls and everything. You can see here I had those ugly stickers everywhere, so I just mudded over, and you can still see. So I'm gonna have to sand, probably kilt a little bit, and then maybe mud some more, sand some more, and then paint it. I tried with a blow dryer, I tried with a hot air gun, I tried so hard to get those stickers off. Do not put stickers on your walls. Pretty please don't make it hard for yourself and other people. Like, just don't do it. So let's go in here. Oh, the fan is gonna be kind of loud. Well, actually it's the lowest setting, like noise wise, that I could find for a reasonable price on Amazon. Again, it's in the description below. But the entrance to the shower will be here. I think it's a pretty decent shower. Oh, I never sat in here before or stood in here before, but I think you have a pretty decent room. It's just for one person to shower and come out. This is a spare bathroom, and here it's gonna be a half wall where you can put your shampoo and shower gel and all that stuff. So here, the vanity that I found, instead of being 30-inch like regular, it's a 24-inch. So I'm gonna build in like it's gonna be 3 inches on each side, and then it's gonna frame the vanity, and then the light will be right there. This wall will be framed, so it's gonna be its own enclosure for both. So that leaves like a really big space in the bathroom. I don't know, you can dance or do whatever you want in here. But this wall here is gonna be closed. I mean, I still don't understand why this door existed, like that. It just makes no sense. The toilet will be here, so you will be facing the door when you're on the potty. So let's go back around. And I just want to say that I spray painted all of the hinges instead of like taking the doors off and spray painting them then, because I will be painting these doors, so it doesn't really matter. I didn't want to take them off and like replace them with new ones because that can get expensive, but I wanted everything to be matte black. I feel like it just gives it a little bit of higher end, a little bit high feel. I don't know how to say that, you know what I mean. It's just gonna make you look more high end, and you can ask more for rent because it's gonna look more high end, you know. So I do want to talk about the AC. It's 56 degrees in here right now. Initially I was gonna wear something prettier, but a hoodie has to do because I'm cold. But I set this on 65, trying to keep the AC running so it wouldn't go bad, or I don't know things about AC. So my bill came to $100 because it has been in the 30s a lot lately. Now it's off. I only want to turn it on if it like gets to freezing. I know that's usually how you do for pipes and stuff, but I don't want to pay $100 anymore for, you know, an empty unit. So in here, I finally have a light. It will be a fan, but I only have one switch because the wiring and all that didn't make any sense. I already bought the fans. I know you usually buy the lights last, but they had really good deals and I really like them. They are matte black, and then you can switch these so they can be darker. And I bought the smaller ones for the bedrooms, and then I bought a bigger one right here for the living room. I still think it's like pretty modern looking and it will fit the vibe that I'm going for. So at the warehouse, I got 3 brand new toilets for $140, but this vanity, I love it so much. I kind of wish it would be in my unit because it already came with the matte black hardware and it's so intricate, and it was a great deal. It came with all this and a mirror. So the only thing that's wrong with it, it has a little scratch here on the side, but this is going to be the vanity that is enclosed in the spare bathroom between those 2 walls, so it's totally fine. Let's go in the master bathroom. Here everything will stay the same. This over here where there used to be a door is going to be closed, and it's going to be the same as mine. Vanity stays in the same place. That still needs to be changed because it's leaking. And we are keeping the bathtub. The only thing about it, so we're changing all the faucets and we're changing the drain and all that. The only thing that I'm upset about is that I can't change that bar right there. So I think I will spray paint it with this hammered nickel or whatever. And I already bought the epoxy and everything to revamp. That's not the word. There's a specific word for it, but I am gonna make it all white and new looking. So I think that's gonna be a separate video in itself. So if you want to see that, again, make sure to subscribe. And now we're gonna go in the spare bedroom. Here, same thing as in the other bedroom. These windows need to be changed because they're made out of wood. They're not really insulating properly. Got a really good price on these two. I paid $50 each because I'm just good at finding deals. It's gonna be a 1 twin bed nightstand, 1 twin bed. And the main reason why we came in this bedroom is because I wanted you to see the tile that I bought for the bathroom. I mean, look how pretty it is. It feels, I just love it so much. It is so big. I have never put tile this big. I don't know how I'm gonna cut it exactly. I might need to get some tools, but hopefully I'll manage it. I just can't wait to see it in the actual bathroom and be all said and done, you know. Thank you for coming along with me on this tour. It has come a long way, but it still has a long way to go. Make sure to subscribe to see everything that's happening and to see the unit when it's gonna be all completed. Hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm and follow on Instagram at Karina Beneduk, and I will see you next time. Mwah. Can you tell that I still have something in my eye?
No.
It hurts so bad.
Okay.
It's so weird with you there. I'm serious. Alrighty, welcome to... Oh my god, I got something else in my eye. Don't look at me like that. This is how I film all the time. Make sure to hit the like. Can you see, like, what can you see? Up to here?
Yeah.
Come a long way. Let me gather my thoughts, okay?